Ever wondered how powerful artificial intelligence can become? Ponder this: Google's new AI, Gemini. Artificial intelligence, a term that once seemed to belong in the realm of science fiction, has now become an integral part of our everyday lives. From simple tasks like recommending your next binge watch, to complex feats like predicting market trends, AI is transforming the way we interact with the world. But hold your breath, because we are on the cusp of a new era. An era defined by a titan in the field of AI, brought to us by none other than Google. Yes, we're talking about Gemini. As the latest addition to Google's AI family, Gemini is destined to take the world by storm. It's not just another AI system. It's a game changer, an AI revolution in the making. So what makes Gemini stand out in the crowded field of AI? Let's delve deeper. Google's Gemini, a game changer in the realm of artificial intelligence, does not merely learn, it evolves. Now you may wonder, how does this differ from other AI technologies? Well, the majority of artificial intelligence models today are static. They learn during their training phase and then apply that knowledge without any further learning. Gemini, on the other hand, is a dynamic model. It's designed to evolve and adapt over time, much like a human brain. Imagine a child learning to walk. They stumble, they fall, but they get up again, each time learning and adapting to improve their balance and coordination. This is the essence of Gemini. It's not just about learning, it's about evolving through continuous learning and adaptation. So how does this work? Behind the scenes, Gemini employs a blend of machine learning algorithms and neural networks. It's constantly processing new data, making mistakes, learning from those mistakes, and growing smarter over time. Each new piece of information is a stepping stone towards a more intelligent and adaptable system. Now, let's talk about the potential applications. Gemini's dynamic nature makes it an ideal candidate for complex tasks that require adaptability and learning on the fly. It could be used in autonomous vehicles, adapting to ever-changing traffic patterns and road conditions. It could be applied in healthcare, predicting and adapting to the progression of diseases. It could even be used in the financial sector, predicting market trends and adapting investment strategies in real time. However, it's important to note that Gemini is still in its early stages. While its potential is vast, its actual capabilities are yet to be fully realized. The technology is evolving, and with it, our understanding of what is possible in the realm of artificial intelligence. Intriguing, isn't it? But with great power comes great responsibility. With Gemini, we are entering a new era of AI, one that is incredibly powerful but also raises important questions. The capabilities of Gemini are vast and transformative. Imagine an AI that can not only process data at lightning speed but also make sense of it, providing insights beyond our comprehension. Industries from healthcare to finance could be revolutionized, with Gemini leading the charge towards a more efficient and intelligent future. But with such power at our fingertips, we must also consider the ethical implications. What happens when an AI becomes so advanced it surpasses our understanding? Who becomes responsible for its actions? And what about privacy and data security? These are questions we must grapple with as we stand on the threshold of this new age. As we marvel at the power of Gemini, we must also contemplate the implications. After all, with power comes responsibility. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new frontier, we can only imagine what the future holds with Gemini. This is a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a companion, a collaborator. Gemini, with its unprecedented potential, is set to redefine our interaction with technology and the world around us. Imagine a future where AI doesn't just respond to our commands, but anticipates our needs, understands our emotions, and enhances our decision-making processes. This is the promise of Gemini. But as with all great leaps forward, it's important to tread with caution. The power of Gemini is vast, and its implications are far-reaching. It's crucial that we ensure this technology is used responsibly, always respecting privacy and individual autonomy. The future with Gemini is both thrilling and daunting. It's up to us to navigate this new era of AI responsibly and ethically,